In this video, we're going to show you how you can manage dispatch calls. With GuardsPro Dispatch Center, you can manage dispatch calls coming in from the client sites in real time on a single platform. GuardsPro registers all dispatch calls in an orderly manner so they can be accessed whenever needed. The dispatcher can add a dispatch call from the live dashboard, go to Dispatcher on the main menu, and click on the Add New Dispatch on the next screen. Now simply add all the required details. You can assign the dispatch call to single or multiple guards assigned to the concerned post site. You can also add internal notes or attachments to the dispatch call. After the details are added, hit Submit. The assigned guards will be notified of the new dispatch ticket on the GuardsPro mobile app. To edit a dispatch call, click on the Action button on the particular ticket and select Edit from the drop-down. Now make the necessary changes in the dispatch ticket and click Submit to save the changes. This is how simple it is to edit a dispatch ticket in GuardsPro. After the dispatch call has been attended to, you will need to close the dispatch ticket or reopen the ticket in case the ticket has to be attended again. The list of dispatch calls shows the current status of all calls registered. Now, click on the Action button for the entry to be closed or reopened, and from the drop-down, select the appropriate option and simply confirm. It's this easy. If you have any more questions, please feel free to contact our support team anytime.